the secret machines hiding in your muscles. What if I told you every time you move your arm, you're triggering a microscopic machine you've never seen, one of the 600+ secret engines hidden inside your body? Let's explore what's going on under your skin. Most people say humans have 640 muscles. But here's the weird part. Ask 10 anatomists and you'll get 10 different numbers. Why? Because some muscles split in people, some fuse, and some are so tiny that scientists argue if they even count. This debate started in 1543 when Andreas Vesalius, the world's first muscle detective, mapped the human body in De Humani Corporis Fabrica. He began counting, and centuries later, we still haven't fully agreed. Welcome to the mystery of the human machine. Your muscles began forming when you were just a 4-week-old embryo. Cells called myoblasts swarmed together, fused, and built the long muscle fibers you're using right now. Yes, your muscles were engineered before you were born. Studying all of this is called myology, the science of muscles. Here's where it gets really weird. Zoom into a muscle. Zoom further and further. Inside each muscle fiber are tiny rods called myofibrils. Inside myofibrils are two proteins, actin and myosin, and these two perform a microscopic tug-of-war. Your brain sends an electrical spark, calcium floods in, and suddenly myosin hands grab actin and pull millions of times per second. This is the sliding filament theory. You move because billions of protein rowing machines slide past each other inside you. You are powered by molecular motors. But how do these tiny motors run? With ATP, your biological battery pack. Every microscopic pull burns one ATP. Run out of ATP and the motors freeze. That's actually why dead bodies stiffen. No ATP equals rigor mortis. Your body works non-stop to recharge ATP using oxygen, sugar, and creatine phosphate. Ever held something heavy and your arm started shaking like a glitching robot? That's your brain desperately rotating motor units, groups of muscle fibers shouting, not me," as they fatigue. The shake means your muscle army is running out of soldiers. Here's the final mystery. Why do muscles get bigger? When you work out, you actually damage your muscles, creating tiny micro tears. Your body sends in repair squads called satellite cells, the same cells that built you as an embryo. They fuse into your muscle, patch it up, and leave behind extra nuclei that stay for years. And that's why muscle memory is real. Your muscles literally remember how strong they used to be. So every time you flex, you activate electricity, chemistry, embryonic repair systems, and billions of invisible molecular machines working perfectly in sync. Your muscles aren't just for movement, they're an ancient mystery your body is still solving every day.